Hi kids! Today we are going to draw Peppa Pig and George Pig waking up the grandparents. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Grandma Pig. I drew her nose, the shape of her head, her ears, her eyes with eyelashes, a circle for her cheek. She holds her mouth like this. She looks surprised and scared. I draw her pajama with flowers. Now I draw Grandpa Pig next to her. Let's draw his nose, the shape of his head, his eyes. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. A circle for his cheek. Then I draw his mouth. So, what's happening? They are in bed. He has a beard like Daddy Pig. I draw his body. They are under the blanket. I put his hat on his head. It's a sailor hat. Now I draw George Pig on the bed. I draw his nose, the shape of his head, his ears, his eyes, a circle for his cheek and his mouth. Then I draw his body. In his hand, he holds a flashlight, an orange, and also a piece of paper. Last but not least, let's draw Peppa Pig. I start with her nose, the shape of her head, her ears, her eyes, a circle for her cheek and her mouth. Now I draw her body. She's wearing pajamas with a heart on the middle. In front of her, I draw an orange, a bubble flower, and a piece of paper. Now I see the little pigs just woke up their grandparents. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I start with Grandpa Pig. I color his skin with this pink marker. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I use bright pink for his cheek and mouth. Now I use red. Then I use blue for his hat and pajamas. I use the same pink for Grandma's skin. Bright pink, red. Then I use fuchsia and green for her pajamas. Let's color George Pig. I use pink too. Bright pink, red. Next, I use light green. Now I color Peppa Pig. I start with pink for her skin. Bright pink for her cheek and mouth. Red. Then I use fuchsia. Now I use orange, gray, light green, fuchsia, green, and yellow for the objects. Finally, I use bright orange for the bed. And light blue for the blanket. Very cool! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!